tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 and love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved. Love, 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 love. I'll give a little bit of your love to me. I'll give a little bit. I'll give a little bit of my love to you. There's so much that we need to share, so send a smile and show that you care. I gave a little bit, I gave a little bit of my life for you. So give a little bit, or give a little bit of your time to me. See the man with the lonely eyes, oh take his hand, you'll be so surprised, yeah. Come on, Aaron, now, take it. Oh, yeah. Come along. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 give a little bit of your love to me. Oh, give it now. Give a little bit. I'll give a little bit of my life for you.
Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us only sky.